You know what I'm saying? They got a nice turbo on theirs. You know, it's real good, real good. Don't blow your back out now. You see what I'm saying? Y'all hear them grunting and grunting? Yeah, that's
I ain't
mine.
gonna untie it, but it's in the bag.
Y'all can see it. Yeah,
Big boy.
big boy. Big boy. 1050?
This one was no. This is an 88.
I said it was rated 1050 though, right?
This is rated for 1,050.
1050.